Hi, I'm Martin Edwards. Today I'll be doing a demonstration of how to crimp a cable using the B standard. First, we want to remove the outer sleeve from the cable. So we use this tool to do a small etch into the cable sleeve. Once you've done that mark, we bend the cable and we remove the outer sleeve. Next thing we want to do is to check to see if we have cut into any of the cables. By doing that, these cables look pretty fine. Alright, we want to now untwist the twisted pairs. Secondly, we do the brown and white, brown, green and white, green. And you only want to untwist these to the beginning of the sleeve. Now we want to remove this strengthening for the cable. So we put it only under Now that the sleeve is off, we want to arrange the cables in the proper order. So we go from left to right. So orange and white, orange, go green and white, blue, blue and white, green, to ensure that these are consistent in order. Then we go brown and white. Then brown. And that's the order. So you go back and forth, left to right, to get these cables staying in the order. Alright, so now when I release the cables, they barely move. Alright, using this strategy. Now, holding back the cables, we want to ensure that we get a good understanding of how long we want the cable ends to be, the cables to be. Alright, so about here, so we'll cut off right here. So we try to make the cut as level as possible. So there we go, and that should be a clean snip. And that's a clean snip. All right. So to commence the crimping process, we want to ensure that the clip end is turned down and we insert the wires into the cable with the cable clip turning upside down, and we'd have slid it in and we push until we're seeing the cable ends projected there. So we're seeing the cables nicely there, and the sleeve is all the way in here. The sleeve has to be under this clip here that will hold the cable sleeve so that it doesn't pull in future. Alright. Alright, so now we have our crimping tool. We'll insert the end, Ethernet end in, and we will squeeze and release. Now examine the cable. Now we see that when we look here, we see where the sleeve is properly being held by the clip, and we're seeing from left to right, orange and white there, and then we're seeing brown and white, brown on this side. So this cable is good. So let's go ahead and crimp the next end with my partner, Miss Porter.